Good morning, friends. Let's look outside. It is such a beautiful day. I feel like having a yum breakfast. Let's see what I have in my kitchen. I have a basket of tasty fruits. I think fruit juice would be nice. Let's make it. Oh, I have a lovely red apple. I'll cut it into 2 pieces with my toy knife and put 1 piece in my blender. Look, an orange. It's a juicy fruit. And here go the 2 pieces. Let's see what more do I have. A kiwi and a strawberry. Kiwi is brown on the outside and green inside. Now it's strawberry's turn. Oops! I have a star fruit too, but it's very sour. I'm gonna leave it right here. Are you ready to switch the blender on? Let's turn it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. My drink is ready now. Let's see what more should I make. I have some flour, sugar and 4 eggs, 3 white and 1 brown. Are you thinking what I am thinking? Yes, waffles. I'm gonna put some flour, a little sugar and 1 brown egg in the mixing bowl. Let's whisk, whisk, whisk. Here is my waffle maker. It makes delicious heart-shaped waffles. I'll pour the batter now and let it cook. Yay! Our waffles are ready. Can you count how many waffles we have made? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm serving breakfast. Come and join me. Thanks for helping me, guys. It was a lot of fun. Keep watching our channel and click the like button. Oh yes, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.